increasingly common to have energy codes in place, and you must document that a new building design meets a particular energy code. This is a slide that was somebody else did. It doesn't really fit very well anywhere, but it's a really interesting slide, and so I kept it in. The key thing here is that this gives an overall energy flow sort of thing for the United States. And so over here you've got different sorts of source energy. This is petroleum, coal, natural gas, and then you can see you got biomass, which is really small, hydro really small, nuclear, not quite so small, but still a lot smaller than these. Electrical imports from Canada primarily, really small. Solar, but then it all flows through, and then you get the end uses down here. We've got commercial, residential and commercial, which is building energy use, which is what we'll be talking about. Industrial, and some significant fraction of that is building energy use. A lot of it is also the process within the industrial thing. Non-fuel, which is converting oil to plastics and that kind of thing. And then transportation, which is the biggest single chunk. But if you combine the building portions of these two, that's really the biggest chunk. And so if we're going to make a dent in global warming, reduce these, we need to reduce those. And the other thing that's interesting is that we've got useful energy and lost energy. That lost energy is almost twice as big as the useful energy. So, and transportation is the biggest reason for that. But, so back to objectives. Determining if your objective of the project is to determine compliance. Usually it's a pass-fail thing. Either it meets or does not meet some criteria for energy consumption. An example of this is the